Hey, how's it going? Good morning. I don't know, have been on a couple days, been working a lot. If you've been watching this, I'm a nurse, so this is my weekend to work. Did 212s, so didn't really have time to make a video. Over the weekend we did have it. Did things did jump up? I should have expected it recently. Um, Weekends have been kind of jump up times, and it happened again. So. My original short just bounced up over the weekend. It was in the negative just a little bit. And now we're back down to break even. Um, Market's opening up for Monday over in Asia first. And that's why you see regular volume coming back and the price coming back down. And it's going to fall through a couple support lines, I think. And these shorts should become profitable. Um, Talked about it on my other videos. Gotta get KuCoin, gotta get Coinbase, Cash App too, uh, or whatever method you use to get instant access to Bitcoin, because you need to be able to buy it and send it at the same time. So that's why I use Cash App. Low transaction fees to buy and send. To cash out, it costs a lot of money on Cash App, but besides that, yeah, I'm just watching my Ethereum short bounce on back into profit. Uh, Not a lot going on right now. There are a few news things going on. Like I said, I'm gonna let this build up a little bit and then get into trading bots. Anybody on here knows how to let me show my screen, like be live and show my screen what I'm doing and setting up on my computer? That would be appreciated, because I want to be able to do that, or I might just have to do it. I probably won't do it live. I'll probably have to make a separate video. I know how to screen record, just not do it live. So, but I want to show exactly how to break down and show how to make the trading bots and good ways to use them for quick instant profits, and how to spot out a good time to use it and when it's a good time to sit on the sideline. Like me personally right now, because Ethereum just came down into the support at the 1870 mark. I think it's going to flush through. That's not a real strong support. So there goes fire truck. Yeah, I do this out on my front porch, enjoying my morning coffee, wake up schedule, you know. But I think it's going to flush back down on through. I think the only thing that makes sense is either just hold your money on the sideline, USDT. Um, that's the tether that everybody talks about. That's USDT, US dollar tether. Um, that means a dollar is a dollar. The value of it will never go up. It'll never go down. It'll always be just a dollar. Um, and that's what you use to buy things on KuCoin. So let's see. Yeah, the whole market overall is just coming down. Uh, this is really expected after a little weekend pump like it had. Nothing major, but I should have thought about that and put on a little long for the weekend and then exited into a short. But such is life. Plus, if I had more viewers, I'd take more serious right now what I'm doing. Uh, the account I play with on here is just my Play Money account. Um, like most of the stuff I do now, I've changed up because I'm totally cool with the real smaller per the slower rollover. Um, because I've went from having to stay up on it and do stuff all the time to get the quicker rollover to I mean, I stay up on it all the time and everything, but I don't make moves because I'm happy just riding out um the waves instead of changing over and changing over. Because a lot of my stuff I hold in, interest-bearing accounts. So if you take it out, you lose the interest. You stop collecting interest on it. So if I'm not planning on cashing it, I might as well just keep collecting the interest and let my pile add up and roll over for free without having to spend any more money on it. So that's another reason I don't do moves as often as I used to. But I'm getting back into it because doing this channel has definitely given me motivation and fun trading again. But also the bear market this past year, the bear market is kind of a learning experience. It was a different kind of bear market, and learned how to trade shorts in it. So that's one advantage. But it did watch everybody watch the value of the portfolio just go in the toilet. But I think we've seen close to the lows. I think it might go a little bit lower one more time, or at least kind of get a double bottom. I'm kind of betting on that. We want to see something we could at least call a double bottom. I feel this pull down now. I think it's going to end up down to 19.5 before we see a major rally back up over 25. It's going to dip below 25, stay below 25, and dwindle on down to 19.5-ish. I think is where we're headed right now. Maybe we might get a big bounce off of 21, back up at 25, and then go back down again because everybody be like, oh yeah, bounce from 21, we're back at it, 25, and then ooh, crash. But the market does that. That waits for this hype like we've been having, and they wait for all of us little people, us little retail investors to come in that don't have, millions of dollars in there. All those millionaires with billionaires with all that money in there, they got this hype going, and they're getting people to buy in. And a lot of people bought in at that 28, 29, 30, 31,000. And they're watching it now. What's it at? What's that? 26,777, triple sevens, lucky sevens. We'll see if that's lucky sevens. It never works out that for me when I see these things. But I don't got anything going on in Bitcoin right now. My shorts are Ethereum and Litecoin, and I think Litecoin's down pretty good today. Let me check. LTC. Oh yeah, Litecoin down from 97 to 92. That's good 5% drop. Okay, good 5% drop. That's really nothing major, but like with the short I have here, the short token, it's a 3x token, so it moves in a exponential of 3, so 5%. That's nice. That's a 15% profit. Now I was down 10%, so I'm up 5 basically on it. So, but I'm just watching it. See if it's watching it go down. It's looking like it's breaking back down off the little bear flag it made. It's gonna shoot on down to the next resistance, which is it's at like 1870 now. I think we're on our way to 1850. I think it's going to be a pretty quick stop in a minute. Because that was 61. This is 69. Yeah, I think we're going to see like 1850. If we pierce 18, if we close hourly below 1850, we could be in for some fun today. I really think with everything going on, we got that we got that fake pump from it's a retail pump from the debt ceiling. Everybody knew it was going to pass. Everybody knew there was going to be a debt ceiling deal. We were not going to default. But they like to play it up in the media because it's good money. It makes them money. Political parties try to play it up. They both sides try to get money on it. I don't want to get into that what side, who's on what side, but what was I gonna say? Yeah. Oh, everybody knows. So that was like an artificial pump from the debt ceiling deal, especially going into a weekend. It just got a lot of retail people going like, "Yay! It's not gonna happen." It wasn't gonna happen anyways. Real money knew it wasn't gonna go down, so they're just taking advantage, selling off with a pump and pumping a dump. Pumping a dump. That's the name of crypto game. Name of the game in crypto. But no, I think we're definitely moving on down. We might not go out of the upper range that we're in. But I think we're definitely going to see, no doubt, that 25,000 is coming for Bitcoin. And we're going to see let's see, what's the level on Ethereum that we're going to? I feel we're going to. We're going at least to the like 1700 range in Ethereum, like now. Like it's broke down as because if we break this level right there at like 1780, we're definitely seeing 1600. Well, there goes my neighbor getting above, getting ready to go to work. He had the weekend off. He worked construction, so sucks to be him today. But no, I'm just chilling out. The other one, other short I put on was Litecoin. Short token I grabbed was Litecoin. I grabbed that one. It's basically you got Bitcoin, but it moves more violently. So like, if Bitcoin goes up 5%, Litecoin very often will go up like 8 to 12. But at the same point in time, when Bitcoin falls 3%, Litecoin will drop 10. So I've got that going 3x basically. So I'm letting that ride out, make a couple dollars, and then once I figure out how to show my screen record while I'm going live, I'm gonna start making moves on here and showing people how to do it, showing y'all how to do it. Get them bots going. Show you how to jump in a bot, make 5-10%, close it out. Jump in a bot, make 5-10%, close it out. I mean, if it's flying, yeah, let it fly. But realistically, only let it fly for so long and just close it out and start one on something else that's getting ready to blow. Get any comments or whatever, you can definitely ask for suggestions. Ones that I think I'm going to blow today. Truthfully, I'm really just looking at shorts. If you look at the daily pattern, we're completing the M pattern, which is a very bearish pattern. And yeah, we're really just set up. We broke the support slope and support. So we're really looking at going down minimal 1800. That's if that holds. That could hold because that could be part of a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. So we might get a bounce off of 1800. I'm probably going to sell my short tokens when Ethereum hit 1800. And when, let's see, what's the Litecoin level I'm looking at? And the Litecoin level I'm looking at is the 90. But really, I'd probably ride at least down to the 86. If it It hasn't actually broken the downward sloping support yet. If it do that, I'll probably rock it down to the 80. Was that the 80 mark? Yeah, it's like the 82 mark. I'll probably rock it down to there before I do any real sell off. And that could be that quick. Litecoin flop when it flop. That's just why I put it on. That's why I just grab it. There's certain tokens that you can, if you notice, they have consistent jumps up and down, and you can just, when it hits one of those marks where it's going to turn around, you just buy one of those tokens, leverage tokens, and it lets you just make money, pile money on, basically. Um, like I said, right now, I don't think it's the time to start, the buy and hold hodl. They call hodl dollar cost averaging in. I mean, it's not a horrible time. You could definitely, there are worse times, but I definitely think we got a much bigger downturn coming that you'd be good to have your money loaded or ready to go, or even, and like I said, when I get people signing up on here, I'm gonna go through and show that how you can find your levels to buy and you can put your orders in advance so they're already sitting there. So if it bounces down to that price real quick while you're sleeping, you got to watch the charts. It'll buy it for you. So those are little secrets and tips I want to, teach and show everybody, because you don't have to be in the charts like I am. I spend hours every day looking at it, figuring stuff out, doing all that stuff. But I'm also happy to share my knowledge and anything I find, free of charge. It's not financial advice. It's just telling you what I do, how I'm doing it. A regular person that really has no financial background. That's just been doing this and teaching himself, learning from watching and doing all that stuff. So trust me, if y'all out there, you've made mistakes, you feel bad about it. I've been there. I done lost crazy money that fast, but I learned. So I'm hoping I can share those things with you and prevent you from doing it. Or if you've done it, help you figure out why and how it happened so it doesn't happen again to you. Because I honestly want to see everybody do well. There's enough out there, there's enough around for everybody to be okay. We can't all be rich, but we can all be okay. So let's see. There you go. Look like Ethereum moving. It's wiggling down a little more. Switch this back over to the hour. Oh, but it looks like it's solidifying under the 670 mark. We had a close. Oh, well, we're only 15 minutes into this hour, so we need another hour close below this for me to feel confidence we're solidified under the 1870. But yeah, this is what I've been watching for. Seth Galloway, he's somebody I watch. He spreads a lot of knowledge. And he breaks it down good. I really like how he breaks it down. He kind of broke it down, helped me out a lot. I mean, not personally, like I didn't talk to him, but watching him and learning from him really helped the mindset, because that's the number one thing in this crypto shit is your mindset. Like, you're gonna make moves that aren't right. You're gonna make moves that don't go the way that you think they should have or that they should have gone, and it's gonna happen. But the key is, recognizing the ones that aren't going to be good and getting out of them, and the ones that do go good, taking your profit. Like, you see these people, they make trades. I made 1,000%. I made 100%. I tripled my money on this trade. Like, yeah, people do that, but that's not my style. Like, you get in, get your 5, 10, 15, maybe even 20%. Things are really flying. But you get that percentage, you get that guaranteed money, and then you start taking money out. And then, if you want to let a little bit of it just rock and fly up till manana, okay, cool. But yeah, you take the money out, and then you got money to go do other things with. Like, You know, because like you see Bitcoin fly, Ethereum fly, um, you know, ADA fly. You know, you see a bunch of other, you see the top coins flying, and then you see coins that aren't top coins, you know, consolidating down, looking, you know, looking in the charts like, oh, they ready to fly. How come they flew? They flew. I got my money here, got my money here. Oh, that's when you jump on them because money gonna trickle down. The top coins always go first, and then it run on down. That's why, you know, at the beginning of the year, you saw that huge run up with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That was part of it. There's other things going on, but that's part of it. You know, why they ran up is a whole nother reason. But you saw them run up, and then you saw, you know, like ADA, H bar, you know, Polygon, you know, other optimism, arbitrage. You saw, you know, other coins that are, you know, not the top two, but lower coins, and they ran up and did their thing, and they was all floating up here. And then you had the meme season come, you know, Pepe and all that. I don't know. I just know Pepe because that was the one that made all the news. But you know, that's bullshit. I don't mess with those things. Once in a while, I might buy $100 a one just to see if it rocks out. Um, but definitely, like, don't spend money on a meme coin you wouldn't spend on a lotto ticket. That's what I want to say about that. Yeah. Don't spend money on a meme coin that you wouldn't spend on a lotto ticket because they're horrible. Um, the only ones that you could possibly fathom doing something for it would be Dogecoin or Shiba Inu because those are different type of meme coins. They actually are starting to make ecosystems and actually starting to do stuff, have metaverse games, all kinds of things like that. So they've developed into something other, but they've been around for years and have huge market caps. But yeah, all this Pepe and all this new stuff, Loki, but Baby Doge, I don't know, all kinds of stuff, just total worthless. Don't 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 buy and don't spend any money on any of them that you wouldn't put on a lotto ticket. But yeah, so you saw the money kind of profits here trickle down to the next level, trickle down here, and it's you know, this I think this run up at the beginning was all part of a tax game. Um, Sell at the end of the year, claim your tax credits, buy it up for the low, runs up, and it's going to triple. It's going to roll down and take back off again. But we're definitely seeing, you know, it's continuing to dip down, Ethereum. So let's see. Shit, I gotta go take a piss. So I'm about to go in, take a pee. I'm gonna sit y'all on the stairs. Let's see, where am I at? Yeah, see, I use my laptop to do it, so I'm mobile. All right, I'm back. You know, just sound crazy. No, it's what, June 5th? Yeah, June 5th. Now, the end of May, it was 80 degrees, 80 something, 88 degrees. It was toastiest warm. It's June 5th. It's like 48 degrees out here. Trying to sit out here, enjoy the nice, summer sun in the morning, and it's 48 degrees. That shit crazy. But that sun up, it's starting to peek over them trees. It's gonna finish coming over that house and blind me in the next couple minutes or so. I can feel it getting brighter. But anyways, where are we going with this? Let me see. Where's my phone? Let me get this out. What we got going on? Yeah, Ethereum. Keep it moving down. So not much. Here we go. Let me see. Let's see. XRP settlement. Let's see today. Let's see. Let's pull it. I don't like that thing. George. I like George. He's good. I think. Like I say, he's a great crypto man. He knows a lot about crypto. I think he's always a little too bullish, maybe. But the DCA, I can't fault him. He pushes the DCA, which is a wonderful strategy. I'm a little more into taking profits than he is, but I'm definitely big into DCA. As I've built my stack up, I do more DCAing. Just being able to have, if you can only DCA, $100 a month, you don't really. Morning. You don't really make a lot of money, and have to wait so long. And who knows if you can really sit that long without making any profit. So that's why I like making moves and trading. But I definitely believe once you build a little bit, you should start DCAing in, especially soon. With us, I think headed down to the lows shortly. Okay, that's another guy. He's talking about there's some pain coming. S&P 500 about to break down. Bitcoin gonna break down. It's not looking great. Okay. Let's see. Huge news. Bedrock vacancy. Polygon. Crypto whale. Raoul Paul predicting 40,000 next month. That's interesting. I think that is possible if we take if this dip down we got going on now goes on for very long. I think if it's a violent dip down and we could smash 19.5 and reverse really quick next month, or even dip lower than that and just pop one day, just pop. That could happen. It happens, and that tends to mark major uptrends. Now, if we do that at the 25 level, it smashes 19.5, shoots back up through 25, then I could see it going up to the 40,000 mark next month. or even this month in a matter of a week or two. Because truthfully, you know, most days where the big game days, it'll skyrocket up and then creep, skyrocket, creep, and it's good to be in on the skyrocket. The creep is when I use a trading bot because it buy and sell and buy and sell and buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell as it goes up and down. So you can even, profit dollars. That the value of the asset goes down, but your dollar count can still go up as the price goes down, and over time it can recycle into profit even if it's going down. That's if you have to wait, but that's why I really only do trading bots when it's a clear side range or a range moving up. Downtrends like we're in right now really aren't, in my opinion, good trading bot times. Now they do have a DCA trading bot that's supposed to help you make money DCAing in. I haven't used it. Trading bots are still kind of so. Learning them. I've had some successful ones. I've had some non-successful ones. So, it's 6:30. Got another like half hour or so waiting on get my son up for school. But let's see, what do we got going on? Let's see, next one. Where's I see now? Sonic Boom. Who cares? I saw one news article. What was it? Where was it? I don't know. I saw a good article. Something I was going to listen to, but I don't see it anymore. Watch right now. It's happening. 30X is coming. Yeah, all these people that are claiming they know when this is going to happen, bull run confirmed, da 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 da. All that's BS. Just like all these people make money quick, get rich tomorrow, start making $1,000 a day. Sun just pierced. Ooh, that's bright. But it's all good. Maybe I'll warm up my porch a little bit. Damn, I can see my breath in June. That's wrong. But $4 H bar, get in early. H bar is one of those ones that I like. I'm into. All right, ain't nothing going on here. Altcoin Daily. Let's listen to it.
Big Polygon news today. All Polygon and Ethereum holders need to watch this video. A big Bitcoin bull run is on the horizon. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you why Bitcoin is on a path to 50K. Crypto enthusiasts need to understand
I don't think it is.
how big a deal this is. Credit Suisse-backed Taurus integrates Polygon for its tokenization offering. Taurus is a Swiss crypto infrastructure firm. Today announced an integration with Polygon blockchain network for its tokenization and custody platforms. This move means Taurus clients, which include Credit Suisse, which include Deutsche Bank, can now leverage Polygon to tokenize any asset, including equity, including debt. Polygon becomes the fourth blockchain supported by Taurus source's tokenization platform, following Ethereum, following Tezos, following Cardano. Why was Polygon chosen for this? Quote from Victor Busin, the Chief Marketing Officer and Head of Strategic Partnerships at Taurus.
This is big for Polygon.
Integrate Polygon from clients, especially large banks. Polygon's key benefits as an Ethereum scaling network include low fees, increased speed, and a user-friendly smart contract development platform and tools. On-chain asset tokenization is a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity, and Polygon is at its forefront. On-chain asset tokenization is seen by some as the next big catalyst for mainstream crypto adoption. What we're talking about here with Polygon and crypto in general is a $16 trillion business opportunity by 2030, 10% of global GDP. JP Morgan says that tokenization is the killer app for traditional finance. And if you're unfamiliar, just so everybody's on the same page, what we're talking about with Polygon, what we're talking about with tokenization. Tokenization is the method of representing real world or digital assets as tokens on a blockchain. It enables fractional ownership, liquidity, and transferability of assets that are ordinarily illiquid or indivisible, such as real estate. Tokenized assets can be traded, transferred, and accessed more easily on blockchain platforms. So, listen to this. This is BlackRock CEO Larry Fink. This is one of the most powerful shadow men on the planet. Talk about why he's excited about tokenization on the blockchain. We know he invests in Ethereum, but you can grow to big bag Polygon too. Seems like he's talking directly about Ethereum and Polygon. I believe the next generation for markets, next generation for security will be tokenization of securities. And if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code, right? Who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement. I actually believe this technology is going to be very important.
Well, honey across the street heading off to college.
We have been part of a huge revolution in investing through ETFs. We believe that ETFs will be changing the whole way we invest. Many people still use it as a means while people are investing it for indexing. No, the majority of people who are putting money in an index in ETFs are active investors that are buying exposure. The entire bond market is being transformed as we talk right now. I believe the next generation for markets, next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. I mean, the transformation, think about it, instantaneous settlement, lots of stuff, no middlemen, as for me, I don't have to vote on any shares anywhere because they're beneficial owner. Bitcoin is on a path to 50K. Ethereum's on a path to decouple from Bitcoin. Before we get to that, one last piece of Polygon news. Nike NFTs, and where do you think they host their NFTs on? Which blockchain? Nike NFTs to make their way into EA Sports games and its millions of fans. Hey guys, do me a favor, take 2 seconds, like the video. It's a small thing you can do, but it truly helps our channel grow. In a major step for mainstream gamer adoption for crypto, Nike's non-fungible token platform, Swoosh, will soon be integrated with EA Sports games, potentially allowing Nike's virtual footwear and apparel to appear in games. In a June 1st statement, Nike said that its virtual creations, it's their way of saying NFTs, will start being incorporated into EA Sports games in the coming months. Though neither Nike nor EA has revealed which game titles will include Nike's virtual goods, you understand how popular their games are, right? EA Sports games includes FIFA, which was awarded the title of most popular game in 2022, as well as Madden NFL series, and NBA Live series, which attract millions.
That could be big.
It's expected that Nike NFTs will be
Because it starts with that, but you'll be able to design your own jerseys, sell your jerseys, all kinds of stuff you're going to be able to do.
This partnership will allow us to unlock some incredible new experiences for our Swoosh community and the massive EA Sports fan base. Just to catch you up, because I understand you don't follow the news every day like I do, Nike first unveiled its Swoosh NFT news called Air Force One, a not-so-subtle nod to the brand's iconic Air Force One line of sneakers. At the time of publication, more than 97,000 of the sneakers NFTs have been sold to just under 53,000 addresses, according to data from Polygon Scan. And of course, Nike has Artifact as well. This is not their first foray into NFTs. Huge thank you for participating in our survey about sneaker conditions.
Cool, this is interesting. I mean, it's gonna be big, but not that big. I mean, if you think about it, 59,000, what, 100,000, 100,000, go 100,000, $100 a piece for sneakers, and people are paying $100 a piece.
When you drive the speaker, you help them get the job done.
What, $1 million?
We have this that will catch anyone's
I mean, $1 million they can move the market, but it's the
Let's
beginning.
do
That's
our
the key.
part to keep them safe.
You know, don't jump on these news events. Oh, they're doing this. This is gonna be huge. Gonna be huge, yeah. So, you know, doesn't mean flock in. Doesn't mean put them on your radar or something to huddle. Yes, and Polygon is a great project. Let's continue with the news.
Let's talk about Bitcoin's on a path to $50,000. Bitcoin and Ethereum soon to decouple. And to help illustrate that, let's talk about this recent news. Did you know Coinbase to launch institutional size Bitcoin and Ether futures contracts this week? Coinbase said in a blog post, Bitcoin and ETH futures sized at 1 Bitcoin and 10 Ether per contract, respectively, will enable participants to tailor their exposure to these growing digital asset commodities with granularity, allowing traders to seize opportunities in a high dynamic market.
Like I said, I don't really mess with Coinbase. I only use Coinbase when I want cash. When I want to spend my crypto. Other than that, I don't mess with them. Their fees are outrageous. Everything goes, yeah, it's just, yeah.
Along with lower fees, some institutions might qualify for incentive programs if they are early adopters of the contracts.
I don't do futures, so yeah. All right, yeah, drinking all this coffee, gotta go pee again. Like I said, drink all this goddamn coffee. All right, so I'm about to get off that news channel. That's Altcoin Daily. Giving a shout out to Altcoin Daily. Great channel. Don't always agree with everything they say, but they're a great channel for news, information, and good points of view. Hold on, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Okay, so I was catching up with them. So let me close out my YouTube, but I'm watching. Let's go over here. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Ethereum is falling some more. Let's see. 853. I'm almost back. Almost back. Oh yeah, I took 100 out of this 1,000, so I'll drop it down to 9 starting. Okay, I'm back to even. Make me happy because even I buy these short tokens and shit fall like this. and make me happy. Now, see, that's why they say, you know, the next bull run is on the horizon. It is, and I do believe it's going to start. I don't know if July. I might wait till the fall, but I think we're definitely going to see a bull run coming soon. Like I said, new highs in 2025, so the lows should be coming a little later this year. But that's why I'm shorting right now, and I think I don't think it's going to be a straight line down. There's going to be probably moments where I switch from shorts to longs, and do my bots going up. And my goal is I'm using this money here to stack up as much as I can to get in some real good long positions. I don't know why I said long, but yeah, so I can get some real good buy-in spots down low. Maybe a couple of these leverage tokens down at the bottom, and do a nice ride up, because I think we're going to have, when we hit the lows, we're going to hit the lows again, and we're going to have another. I don't think we're going to have a big accumulation time like we did last time. Last time we stayed down. Let's look at it. Let's see days. Let's go to Bitcoin. Here we go for the daily chart. So when we went to, like I was saying, when we dripped down low, it was from, let's see, 11.6 till, like January 1st, like 2 months. We had like 2 months to buy below 20,000. I think this next time, when it does drop below 20,000, might have a day, couple of hours, minutes. Like, I don't think it's going to dip down below and stay below. Unless we see like some major economic disaster stuff come, then Bitcoin could crash. I could see it really plummeting even down below 10. Because when 10 happens, everybody's going to panic. People are like, oh, I buy all that I can at 10 grand. People are going to be scared it's over. I'm not. I'm all in. But yeah, if that do happen, I'm going to stack Bitcoin. I'm going to stack Ethereum, Cardano, HBAR, Polygon, Optimism, Optimism fall, like have a hard crash fall like that earlier. I'm kind of mad at, I don't be mad at myself, because that's the key thing when you're doing this. You can't be mad at yourself, you miss stuff. But I thought that was going to be another instant fail, because Altcoin Daily, they put me on the OP when it was brand new, and man, a lot of things that they put me onto, I buy into just because they do their research, and they don't all do real well. Don't all do well at all. There are a few that have done nothing, like Seek. Seek's been a big disappointment. OP flew. It started crashing. I was like, oh, it's gonna be another one of them. So, but man, OP is a real deal. So if we can get a big crash in that, I'm buying that up. Let's see. See Cardano, HBAR, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm not really into Bitcoin itself. If it dropped below 10, I'd get some serious exposure to Bitcoin. That would just be a buy and hold for till mañana. Because soon you're going to be able to, a few more years, more and more places letting you borrow collateral off of it. So, I could theoretically borrow off my own Bitcoin to buy a house, and not actually have to cash anything out, and just mortgage it up and leave that on to the next generation. So that's got me excited. That's the other thing. Other ones are not going to let you leverage. They're not going to let you use as collateral. Bitcoin's going to be the only one. Maybe Ethereum. But it might not be Banks with Ethereum. You're probably gonna have to do DeFi bullshit. I don't know. I shouldn't say bullshit because I guess DeFi is crazy good, but I haven't touched it. I don't know how to do it. I don't like leaving my stuff out of my control. I know smart contracts. I know blah 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 blah, but I don't know. I'm just like fuck. Shit happens, you know. And I should like. Okay, I must have to end this stream. Gotta get my son up live for an hour. No viewers. Peace.